Choosing a dentist for you and your family is very important. Good oral health is critical for ensuring a lifetime of healthy, beautiful smiles and prevents other associated health problems. So if you're having a dental problem or looking for a dental checkup, here are 5 things that you need to keep in mind to choose the right dentist. 1. Their credentials. Whenever you come to choose a dentist, you need to make sure that they are board certified. This is enough to reassure you that they have all the necessary training, skills, and experience that they need to provide high quality and reliable oral health care. 2. Technology. Ask your potential dentists about the technology they use. An ideal dental office should have updated technology to diagnose and treat your dental problems quickly and easily. 3. Convenience. Look for a dentist with an office in a convenient location. This is essential when you have a busy schedule. Be sure to check their office hours and how they handle emergency situations as well. 4. Communication. Communication is very important when looking for a dentist. Choose the one who cares about your needs, gives you clear and concise answers when you ask questions, and makes you and your family feel comfortable. 5. Your insurance coverage. The cost of treating dental conditions can be expensive. Check with your insurance provider and your chosen dentist before you agree to a dental care plan. Nobody truly looks forward to a dental appointment, and it can be hard to find a dental office you feel comfortable with. There are different factors that you should consider to choose the right one. If you're looking for highly qualified professionals dedicated to providing you with an exceptional level of dental service using the most advanced technology available, contact us today to schedule an appointment.